Yeah, I got a lot, man. A lot of
Alright.
meat.
I think I was able to grab it all.
Good old meat.
We should probably do some chopping.
Oh, sweet, there's
Actually,
revolver ammo on the ground you didn't pick up. Swag.
golly. I'm gonna chop a couple trees.
Hey, seed box. Now he's approaching. Fucking hell. Come on, wolf. One more standoff, buddy. Give me the fucking pelt. Yes!
Oh, you got dude, nick of time.
Don't you fucking dare leave me, you Mr. Wolf Pelt Man! No!
Oh.
Nah!
Oh.
The deer guy's already on my butt.